Ito guys, binadaanan kami ditong store. Actually, madalas ko na ito nakikita pero hindi ko alam kung anong mayroon sa loob dito. Malapit lang dito sa amin, mga 10 minutes walk from our unit. Ito, yung Tiverton's Farm Market. Tingnan natin. Ano kaya mayroon? Oh, there's lots of Let's go. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Dito pala yung Yeah, let's take a look. Ito yung mga herb nila. Yeah. Marami rin pala mga dried foods. Dried snacks. Ito naman yung mga drinks nila. Very organized. These are all organics, di ba? Oh, they have lots of fruits here. Oh, wow. And ito naman yung mga pang salad nila. Kung mahilig ka mag-salad, ito ang best aisle.
They have sales. Like
Yeah.
the discount. The
Ito, kung medyo nagtitipid ka, dito ka sa section na yan. Ayan, mga reduced prices na yan. Ayan yung mga like this one, $1.99 only. Ito, lemon, $1.99. May lang siya, konting pero sobrang na pala, lambot. Ito naman yung mga cooking onions, different types of onions, garlic, ginger. Ayan, mga broccoli. Ito naman yung mga green leafy vegetables. All these are more on sorry. Oh, this one. Ayan. Oh wow, they have a variety of the cheese. Ito naman yung mga marinated na meat like chicken. Ayan, mga na yan, may mga timpla na yan. Ano to? This is pork chop. Mga marinated. Yeah, they have bakery here. Yeah, these are all the mga ano ba tawag dito, anak? Mga cheese, tapos ito eggs. Oh, they have fresh meat naman dito. Oh wow. Ito naman mga sausages. What's that?
apple pie.
Apple pie? Okay. Oh. Ito naman mga cakes and different types of pastries. Complete din pala yung store na to, anak. Wow, kompleto din.
See, this is
Don't touch it.
no,
It's a
It's
peanut.
not peanut butter. This is wow butter. What we use it's soy butter.
Oh, I think we have that before.
We use that at school.
Oh, really?
That's what
It means it's good. Oh, what is that? Oh, tea.
green tea.
Mga drinks naman to. Ito, yogurt. Oh, they have baking stuff here.
This is a grocery store.
Yeah. This is my first time in this store. I never, yeah, seriously.
It was so big.
I didn't realize that it's really big. Wow.
Coffee beans.
Oh, wow. These are,
Coffee beans.
yan, sa mga mahilig magkape, ayan. Yan mga coffee beans nila. This one. Yeah, they have. Oh, kaya lang naka-expose lang siya. Oh, they have sausages here. Only $10.99. So, tingnan nyo naman, no, ang lalaki.
This is salt and pepper.
Wow.
Rosemary. Bacon.
Oh yeah, they have
Yeah.
this one, no,
They have ham.
yung ham.
No, look. That's not ham. That's pork. This is
Oh
ham.
yeah, smoke pork.
The ham is $58. A whole ham.
Yeah, this one is ano.
That's also ham?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's cheap.
Oh, this one is chopped or sliced bacon. Ito you guys, oh.
That's the European one.
Ito naman. Oh, ayan, oh. Parang ang sarap.
We have hot dogs.
What is this?
Smoked pork.
Smoked pork hogs. Oh, ito yung ano nila, yung ham. Black Forest ham. Ito ganito kalaki guys, so $18.26. Pwede na. Ano to? Oh, this is a turkey leg. Remember we went to Disneyland? We bought this smoked turkey. It's a big one, right?
Bigger than that.
You didn't even finish it. Like this. Mas malaki pa dito, guys. Pero
It's way bigger.
ito ito 1746.
It's even cheaper there. What?
Grabe yung laki, oh. Ano to? Turkey.
Charcuterie
Hindi ako ganun ka turkey lover, pero yung lasa niya is okay din. Masarap din. Pero hindi ako ganung fan ng turkey. Kaya every time na nagte-Thanksgiving, yung iba nagluluto ng turkey, kami chicken ang niluluto namin. Ito mayroon silang mga fresh na chicken, oh. Ayan, oh.
How much is it?
Wow. Not we're just These are more on chicken, no?
Filet sauce.
Yeah. Ito naman, variety of plants. Ito, iba't ibang klaseng orchids. Wait lang, lalab. Don't touch.
They have peanut butter machine.
Yeah. Iba't ibang klase ng orchids. Ito naman anthurium. Let's go na. Yung labas ng store na yan, pag pumasok ka dyan, sobrang laki din pala sa loob. Ang daming mga different types of paninda. Yan lang guys. Hanggang sa muli. Bye bye.